Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will compare the Toyota Avalon versus the Nissan Maxima. We'll explore what makes each of these full-size sedans unique, helping you decide which might better suit your needs. We'll look at their key features, performance, and overall value, giving you a clear picture of their differences. The Toyota Avalon excels in providing a refined and comfortable experience. Its suspension is tuned for a plush ride, absorbing road imperfections with ease. You'll also appreciate its impressive fuel economy, especially with the hybrid option. Plus, Toyota's legendary reliability means fewer trips to the mechanic and strong resale value. On the other hand, the Nissan Maxima positions itself as a four-door sports car. It typically features a more aggressive exterior design and a potent V6 engine, delivering a more engaging drive. Inside, you'll often find a sportier cabin with quality finishes. Its continuously variable transmission is designed for seamless power delivery. Deciding which is better truly depends on your priorities. If you value a serene ride, excellent fuel economy, and proven reliability, the Toyota Avalon is likely your best bet. However, if you prefer a more dynamic driving experience, a powerful engine, and a bolder aesthetic, the Nissan Maxima could be the perfect fit. Whichever you choose, both offer great value in the full-size sedan segment. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to those fantastic meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.